In this Notepad++ short, we will learn how to search for any keywords online right from Notepad++. If you have a particular document and you want to search for a keyword, you can right click on it and click on search on internet. Now it will open that keyword in the search engine setting you have. Currently we have it set to Google, but you can easily change your search engine settings from Notepad++. So in order to change the settings, you need to go to settings, go to preferences, and select search engine from the sidebar. Now you have an option for various search engines such as DuckDuckGo, Bing, even Stack Overflow. So let's try that. I'm going to right click on a particular keyword and search online on internet, and as you can see, it is open in Stack Overflow with that keyword search. You can even select your own search engine settings from that settings. And so this is how you search for any keyword right from Notepad++.